In this video, we will see how to get Base44 API key for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can use the first link in description to open Base44 and get free credits by creating a brand new account. You will see this interface after you log in. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Click here on Account Settings. Here you will find the API key. You can copy it by clicking here, or you can click here to regenerate it. An API key is basically like a secret password that lets one app securely connect to another app or service. For example, if your Base44 app wants to use OpenAI, Stripe, or Google Maps, you can use this API key to prove its identity and get access to those services. You should never share your API key publicly or with people you don't trust. Anyone who has your API key can use the service as if they were you, which could lead to unexpected charges, access to your data, or misuse of your account. So this was how you can get your Base44 API key for free. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build amazing websites using Base44, you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.